Why does your Toyota sometimes behave in ways that feel strange, even when nothing is actually broken? Why does the engine feel hesitant or sluggish when cold? Why do the RPMs rise, drop, or stabilize in ways that seem unusual? And why does the car sometimes limit itself even when no warning lights are on? Before we go any further, subscribe to the channel. This series explains how Toyota vehicles really work, why they behave the way they do, and how to avoid habits that silently shorten their lifespan. Toyota engineers design vehicles with a very specific goal in mind: long-term survival in real-world conditions. That means the engine is not programmed to react aggressively or dramatically. It is programmed to protect itself. A common example is high idle speed at cold start. Many owners worry when they hear the engine rev higher than expected after startup. This is intentional. Toyota uses this phase to quickly bring the engine, oil, and catalytic converter to their optimal operating range. Emissions are reduced, lubrication improves, and internal clearances stabilize. The problem is not this behavior. The problem is how drivers react to it. Aggressive acceleration, high RPM, or heavy load during the cold phase dramatically increases long-term wear. Step-by-step solution: start the engine and let RPM stabilize for about 20 to 30 seconds. Begin driving gently with light throttle input. Avoid strong acceleration or high RPM for at least the first 5 to 7 minutes. Another behavior that often confuses owners is filtered throttle response. Toyota intentionally limits how quickly torque is delivered. This is especially noticeable in newer models and hybrids. The engine is not weak. The system is reducing shock to internal components and the transmission. Toyota prefers smooth, progressive power delivery because sudden torque spikes shorten engine and gearbox life. This is a design choice, not a defect. Curiosity before moving on. Many high-mileage Toyotas reach extreme mileage because drivers respect warm-up behavior. Does your Toyota do this too? As mileage increases, many Toyota owners begin to focus on warning lights, alerts, and system messages. Have you ever seen a warning appear and then disappear by itself? Have you noticed a yellow light without any clear change in how the car drives? Or has your Toyota suddenly reduced power even though everything seemed fine moments earlier? Toyota uses a preventive protection philosophy. This means that many warnings are not signals of failure. They are early notifications that a parameter has moved outside its ideal range. Toyota prefers to alert early, adjust behavior, and protect components rather than allow silent damage. One of the most misunderstood situations is power reduction mode. When this happens, many drivers assume something is broken. In reality, the vehicle is protecting the engine, transmission, hybrid system, or emissions components. Power is limited to reduce heat, load, or stress until conditions stabilize. This behavior is intentional. Toyota engineers design systems to intervene before damage occurs, not after. Step-by-step response when a warning appears. If the warning light is yellow, continue driving calmly. Avoid hard acceleration, towing, or high RPM. Find a safe place, turn the vehicle off, and wait about 5 minutes. Restart the car and observe its behavior. If the warning disappears, the condition was likely temporary. If the warning returns, perform a diagnostic scan before replacing any parts. A very common mistake is blind part replacement. Toyota systems are extremely sensitive. A temporary sensor deviation caused by temperature, fuel quality, or driving conditions can trigger a warning even when no component has failed. Replacing parts without diagnosis often creates more problems than it solves. Maintenance messages are another area where misunderstandings are common. Toyota maintenance alerts are not suggestions. Oil condition, coolant performance, and service intervals directly influence engine and hybrid longevity. Ignoring these alerts rarely causes immediate failure, but it accelerates long-term wear. Another critical mistake is driving for extended periods in protection mode. Toyota allows reduced operation to reach safety or service, not for daily driving. Continuing to drive aggressively while the vehicle is limiting itself increases stress elsewhere in the system. Toyota warning systems are designed to communicate early and clearly. They are not designed to scare the driver. When owners understand this, reactions become calmer and more effective. What to avoid? Do not clear warning codes without understanding them. Do not replace sensors or modules just in case. Do not assume every warning means a major failure. Do not ignore repeated warnings. When handled correctly, Toyota warning systems actually extend vehicle life. They are part of the reliability strategy, not a sign of weakness. The final question every Toyota owner eventually asks is simple. Why do some Toyotas reach 300,000 miles or more while others struggle much earlier? The answer is not luck. It is usage behavior combined with system awareness. Toyota designs vehicles for real-world conditions, but not for constant abuse. Reliability is not automatic. It is cooperative. When owners understand how Toyota systems think, the vehicle lasts dramatically longer. Step-by-step longevity strategy. Always allow gentle warm-up. Use quality oil and realistic oil change intervals, not just minimum recommendations. Avoid shutting the engine off immediately after hard driving. Drive smoothly more often than aggressively. Pay attention to subtle changes in behavior, not only warning lights. One of the biggest myths is, it's a Toyota, it can handle anything. Toyota can handle a lot, but it still obeys physics. Heat, stress, and shock wear components over time. Transmission longevity is a perfect example. Toyota transmissions last because torque delivery is smooth and predictable. When drivers accelerate aggressively, force rapid downshifts, or ignore warm-up behavior, transmission wear increases. Smooth driving dramatically extends gearbox life. Hybrid models add another layer of protection that many owners underestimate. Electric motors reduce engine load during the most stressful conditions, especially at low speeds and in traffic. This means the combustion engine operates less frequently in damaging conditions. As a result, many Toyota hybrid engines age more slowly than conventional engines. Another overlooked factor is driver patience. Toyota systems often feel conservative. Throttle response may feel delayed. Power delivery may feel restrained. These are not flaws. They are mechanical protection strategies. Owners who fight these systems, aggressive throttle inputs, constant high load, ignoring system feedback, shorten lifespan. Owners who work with the systems benefit from Toyota's long-term engineering philosophy. Toyota reliability is not mysterious. It is the result of thousands of small design decisions combined with thousands of small ownership decisions. When drivers respect warm-up phases, respond correctly to warnings, and drive smoothly, Toyota vehicles reward them with extraordinary longevity. Final curiosities to close episode 6. Naturally aspirated Toyota engines often age exceptionally well because of low internal stress. Hybrid systems frequently protect engines better than most drivers realize. Many high-mileage Toyotas were not driven gently all the time. They were driven smartly. In the comments, let us know, how many miles does your Toyota have today, and how do you drive it?